I am Dr. Paul Drouin.
I'm Dr. Amit Goswami, and together we are the Quantum Doctor.
Today, I try to move toward a creative doctor. When I came in America, people will all of them ask me, what kind of doctor are you? Of course, I'm a family doctor. I'm also acupuncture, and I'm also homeopath and doctor of natural medicine. But if I say, oh, I am a doctor of natural medicine, they will all look at me curiously, right? If I do, so I'm a physician, oh, it's like, now you're the real kind of doctor. But the thing is, I know I know that saying I'm just a physical physician. It's not really the truth. It doesn't reveal really who I am. So I turned a little bit the question around, and I said, in the future, people will ask, "Are you a creative doctor or not?" That would be the real question, because a creative doctor is the one that would have add to his practice this type of zest and intuition that you were speaking about.
The healer is the king of the creative people, because ultimately they are healing, really restoring the integral way that body-mind vital complex is supposed to work for the human being. Mm-hmm. What is more creativity applied to this? What can be more noble than this? So they call the doctor as the king of the creative people, king of the poets. Mm-hmm. It's the creative, which is the creative element that is the most important.
Absolutely, and I think this is I believe, in a year we will see how it was important to expand the frontier of this idea of quantum healing. For me, quantum healing, as you said, was more inside the boundaries of the spa, the wellness, and the intuitive doctor, or but now adding the quantum physics to the base of this, and of course inside of university, then we push the boundaries, we push the frontier inside the professional world, inside the hospital, inside the clinic, and this is the end target, yes. I will say.
So the brand is a scientific brand, and that is very important.
I totally agree with you on this. Yeah, absolutely.
Wonderful.
I like this comment when you speak about, how you feel and how you intuit, because until now, in some way, conventional medicine has taken out this equation of the portrait. When they define, by example, health, absence of disease, they don't consider how you feel. So today, people after a while got upset because they go to see the doctor and hear the labs and the results are normal, but the doctor said, yeah, you're okay. But the patient say, oh, or the client, I may be okay, but I don't feel good. Mm-hmm. And then integrative medicine start to take care of these people, or complementary medicine. Energetic medicine start to consider, how you feel is matter.
Very much part of the equation.
How you perceive matter. And they got results where medicine was not able to get any kind of result.
Right.
And so I found very interesting that, the model you're proposing in some way extend to this concern. So it's a medicine at the same time that is more listening, that is more human, and where how you feel really matter.
Because what we feel are energies of life itself. What we call vital energy, that the new element that we are introducing, because quantum physics allows us to introduce such non-physical entities without the concept of dualism. Because of non-locality, we now have non-physical entities as much possibility of consciousness as a physical entity. So this has liberated us in a lot of ways. It has allowed us to think in a way that can include feeling. And even more importantly, healing comes from these archetypes, especially the archetype called wholeness. And allopathic medicine has no room for intuitions and archetypes. So they have excluded the very place from where healing comes.
This is my experience too in the field. When I was in practicing in integrative medicine, people come to my office and they were tired. Fatigue chronic is a huge crowd of clients that walk in, And doctor, most of the time, they have like a basket, you know, a diagnosed basket that means about nothing, because at the end of the day, the client is just live at himself. And some will even go on the route, you know, of, you have something stuck, so it's in your head and so on, and they have antidepressant, and the situation just gets more complicated. With the quantum medicine, now you start to have solutions for these people.
Right.
Changing diet, addressing the vital body, addressing the vital force, harmonizing energy through meridian and so on, and then suddenly, people who were not able to work for years now are back to work. They have their life back. They're happy and they feel good. They feel centered.
Lots of people have speculated before that absence of love probably have grave consequences like cancer. And now we can really put love back into the equation. And I'm sure that this will play a great role in cancer prevention and maybe even healing.
Yeah, bring back love and joy.
Learn more about our exciting educational programs at quantumuniversity.com.